Hello everyone. Let's take the ultimate history quiz challenge. Welcome back to episode 22 of Brain Trek. Let's see our question number 1. Who was called the Iron Man of India? Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and D. Subhash Chandra Bose. And the answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Let's see the fact of the answer. He played a major role in integrating more than 500 princely states into independent India. Now, let's move on to question number 2. Who gave the slogan Jai Hind? Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Subhash Chandra Bose and D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Let's see the fact of this answer. Jai Hind became strongly associated with the Indian National Army. It's time for question number 3. Which emperor gave up war after the Kalinga War? Options are A. Akbar, B. Ashoka, C. Chandragupta and D. Harshvardhan. And the answer is Ashoka the Great. Let's see the fact of this answer. The Kalinga War had a profound impact on Ashoka and contributed to his adoption Buddhist principles and non-violence. Question number 4 is, who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Options are A. Chandrasekhar Venkata, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Amartya Kumar Sen and D. Mother Teresa. And the answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Let's see the fact of this answer. Tagore won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. Don't forget to like the video for more challenges. Now it's time for question number 5. Who founded the Mughal Empire in India? Options are A. Jalaluddin, B. Zahiruddin, C. Nasiruddin and D. Aurangzeb. And the answer is Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur. Let's see the fact of this answer. Babur established Mughal rule after defeating Ibrahim Lodi at the First Battle of Panipat in 1526. Let's move on to question number 6. Who was known as the Frontier Gandhi? Options are Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, B. Abdul Kalam Azad, C. Lala Lajpat Rai and D. Rajendra Prasad. And the answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Let's see the fact of this answer. He was a prominent follower of Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence. It's time for question number 7. Which city was the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire? Options are New Delhi, B. Hampi, C. Agra and D. Patna. And the answer is Hampi. The fact of this answer is Hampi in present-day Karnataka was the spectacular capital of the Vijayanagara Empire. Let's quickly jump to question number 8. That is, who gave the famous do or die call? Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the answer is Mahatma Gandhi. The fact of this answer is Mahatma Gandhi gave the do or die call during the Quit India movement in 1942. Question number 9. Who was the last Mughal emperor? Options are Mirza Akbar Shah Bahadur, B. Bahadur Shah Zafar, C. Shah Alam II and D. Alamgir II. And the answer is Bahadur